Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2000 Honda Prelude. Changing the engine air filter is easy to do, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners in order to access the filter. These fasteners are easy to disengage. The headlight is easy to access. You only have to reach behind the housing for access to the bulb. The front wiper blade is easy to change. Other models will require the use of tools, so it's a nice touch to be able to change this blade with just your hands. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will need a few tools in order to access the taillight. While this isn't difficult access, the lining you need to peel back can grow tight to the vehicle over time. Checking the engine coolant fluid level can be difficult, as the reservoir is not located in an overly visible spot in the engine bay. To access the cabin air filter, you will have to lower the glove box and use a few tools for access. This would have been easier if there were a panel in the rear of the glove box for access. Overall, the 2000 Honda Prelude is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain and a good choice for even the average car owner.